Hey, what's up guys, it's Casey here, welcome back to another video. And so I'm going to be restoring these Nike Dunk butt heads, and they're from 2013, so they're 11 years old. And as you can see, the suede's pretty beat, so I'm going to be dyeing them and stuff. I took out the laces first, like always, and then I cleaned the bottoms, but I don't worry about too much. Then I cleaned the uppers with soap and cold water, and I used a soft bristle brush. You always want to use a soft bristle brush when cleaning suede, or it might damage it. And I cleaned the sole with a hard bristle brush because that's just rubber. And then I unnapped the suede after it dried, and I used this dye. And at first I was messing this up pretty bad. The paintbrush was not working well. I think you need kind of like a particular paintbrush for dyes, and it did come with a cotton swab thing luckily, so I used that. But the only downside with this is I ended up getting a lot of dye on the sole, and I thought it'd come off easy with some acetone, but it did not. So I eventually just painted the sole. So yeah, this part went pretty good, and the dye was pretty close to the original color of the shoe, so I didn't change the dye color around. But as you can see right here, I get quite a bit of dye on the sole. It's just hard not to. And I did touch up parts where the suede was really close to, like the sole and stuff, so I didn't get more dye on the sole. This is the really beat one, and by this time I was doing it a little better. This was also my first time ever dyeing suede, so it didn't go too bad for my first time ever, but I was a little nervous to mess it up because I like these shoes a lot. Also, we're almost at 100 subscribers, which is really cool. Thank you guys a lot. We are at 97, I believe, so make sure you subscribe so we can hit 100. So I did 2 layers of dye, and once it was dried, I unnapped the suede, and this is before and this is after. As you can see, looks a lot better. This is them on foot. I like these shoes a lot, and I think they turned out pretty good. The original comes with black laces, but I don't have those. But I think the yellow looks better anyway. I've owned these for about 2 years. I bought them used off Goat for a pretty good deal. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. Check out some other videos.